Hello and welcome back to the channel. In today's tutorial, we are going to create this clean and realistic propeller using SolidWorks step by step. And before we start, let's aim for 25 likes on this video. You will learn revolve, flags, circular pattern and finishing techniques. So let's get started. Our first step will be creating a hub. So select right plane and sketch. As you can see on my screen, this will be our base hub creation. The horizontal length will be 150 mm, vertical length is 38, and this line vertical will be 2 mm, and this horizontal length will be 8 mm, and again horizontal line will be 115 mm, and this vertical last extend this vertical line, create an arc by using 3-point arc. The radius will be 60 mm, and this point and this point make it midpoint. Make it tangent also. So our sketch is fully defined. Now I am going to use Revolve. Select this line and hit the green check. Our base hub has been created. Now I am going to change the appearances, selecting brass, and I am going to use brush steel so it looks better. If you like this video, please hit the like button, and if you follow my tutorial, if you want to see more tutorials, so please do subscribe. Now the second step will be a creating axis. Select front and right plane, create an axis and hit the green check. This axis will be in a origin section. Now then I am going to create a plane. Select this axis and right plane. I am going to make a plane at an angle of 30 degree. So as you can see on my screen, I have created an angle. Then select plane number 1 and sketch. I am going to select hidden line visible. Select a line, create a vertical line, and the distance from this point to that point 65 mm. This origin point to the upper point will be 60 mm, and the distance between this vertical line to this origin will be 14 mm. Now I am going to create 2 points. Select this point, 1 point should be there and 1 point must be here. Okay, in this step I am going to define these 2 points. The horizontal distance will be 130 mm and the vertical distance will be 65, and this point to this point, origin point, vertical distance 34 and horizontal will be 150 mm. So this is our path we have created. Now I am going to use spline. Select this point and this point and this point. This is very important step. you need to see very carefully. Now adjust this handle like this. Select this handle and make it vertical. To define fully sketch, I am going to use smart dimensions. Select this handle, first handle, the length, select this and this, the angle will be 70 degree. As you can see on my screen, and the handle length will be 125 mm. Okay, our first handle has been fully defined. Now I am going to select this handle, second handle, select this handle and this vertical line, and the angle is 75 degree, and the handle length is 150 mm. The bottom handle length will be 210 mm, and this handle angle will be 79 degree, and the handle length will be 240 mm. Now pause the video. If you have any mistakes, you can correct this. Now remove the hidden line visible. Use boss extrude and select mid plane and unmerge the result. And hide the plane and sketch. Select isometric view. Perfect. We have almost 20% part completed. This is most important step to create this propeller like a curve shape. I am going to use flex feature. Select first twist. The twist angle will be 50 degree, and flex input I am going to select this body. So this body must be in a the X direction. As you can see on my screen, upper direction will be negative 20 mm. Y direction I want to twist 20 mm, and Z direction I want to twist negative 1.75. The X direction angle will be 347 degree. Y direction angle will be negative 25 degree, and the Z direction I am going to select 0 degree. So this is our part. As you can see how I twisted before and after. You can see the yellow one is before and the blue one is after, and the trim plane will be negative 4.25, and the plane 2 must be in a negative 2.45. So these two planes must be in a offset position. So our geometry looks better and curved shape. Again I am going to select flex. Now I'm selecting bending. Okay, select this part. The bending angle will be 45 degree. It will bend. And the x direction, I'm going to bend 6.54 mm, sorry 7 mm. Y direction 72.17 mm, and the z direction will be negative 60 mm. The angle x direction will be 322 degree, y direction angle will be 11 degree, and the z direction angle will be 260 degree. Okay, and hit the green check. The next step, I am going to use shell. So this is our hub, it must be in a shell position. So the shell parameter, I am going to select 2.5 mm and hit the green check. Okay, I have skipped combine features, so you can combine this. Select this face and create a sketch. Select this center circle and convert it. Choose extrude cut and through all. Make sure you combine this body. So next step, select front plane, sketch, select circle, draw a circle in the origin position, and the circle diameter will be 50 mm. Okay, now choose extrude boss, select mid plane, and the distance is 120 mm. Mid plane extrude boss 120 mm. Go select isometric view, again select front plane, draw like this geometry, select rectangle and create this. The horizontal distance will be 10 mm. And the vertical distance will be 20 mm. Select this point and this mid point, make it vertical, and the total distance will be 80 mm. Perfect. Go to the extrude boss, select mid and 120 mm or 100 mm. I'm going to use 100 mm. Okay, I'm going to use circular pattern. The direction will be this circle face, and the features I want to this, and the total number of pattern will be 3. Circular pattern will be 3. Select this face. I'm going to use a circle and the circle diameter is 30. Select center rectangle, draw vertical rectangle as well as horizontal rectangle. Okay, this rectangle horizontal length 6 mm, this also 6 mm, and this vertical length will be 36, and make it equal. Select this vertical and this one. Our sketch is fully defined. Now I am going to use extrude cut feature. Select through all and selected contours. Select this circle and this horizontal and vertical rectangular shape and hit the green check. Our part will be cutted by this shape. In the next step, I am going to use fillet. Select this, and the fillet will be 0.5 mm. Clear the selection. Manually I have to select all these edges, as you can see on my screen. This edge, that edge, this edge and that edge, and hit the green check. Again, the second fillet now will be 3 mm. Item to fillet, select this edge and select first or second. Third, I think I am going to select second one. Yes, second one. Select this edge. SolidWorks will automatically collect all the edges. There are 12 edges. Instead of selecting manually, you can use these features as well. Try it if you like this stuff. Now again select fillet. Select 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, fifth number. So SolidWorks will automatically collect 32 edges, and the fillet parameter radius will be 2 mm. Okay, our part has created by using a SolidWorks 2026. If you like this video, please hit the like button. If you learned something new, please subscribe and comment it what type of content you want to see. Thanks for watching.